What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to test out for the first time some TikTok makeup hacks. So if you're interested to find out what that is all about, if they're actually working or not, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you haven't seen my face before, hi, my name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like your kind of jazz, then stick around. I would kindly suggest to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also follow me on Instagram at Ammunition. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So, as I quickly mentioned in the intro, we are going to test out some TikTok makeup hacks. And this is something that I haven't done before, so I just thought to bring something new to the channel. So let me know what you think about this series in the comment section down below. If you feel like you like it, then let me know and I'll continue doing them. So the first TikTok makeup hack that I found is done by Nikki Tutorials, believe it or not. And this is entitled How to Contour Your Nose Flawlessly Without Any Failures. So let's see what it says.
All right, so you want to contour your nose without any failures? Let's go. First, you're going to need your bronzer. Take the bronzer on a brush, and literally what you start doing is bronze your entire nose from tip all the way to the bridge.
Ooh.
It's going to look like a mess right now,
Okay.
but trust me,
That will be interesting to see how that turns out.
Okay, now here's the trick. You take your face powder and a dry beauty blender.
A dry beauty blender, okay.
The sides. The more you bring this in, the smaller your nose is gonna look. So we're gonna make this as big as you like. Like literally, look how small that looks already. Don't forget.
That is really small, to be honest.
I'm gonna make that nice and light as well. Boo!
That looks so weird.
Take breath. Oh my god, English, what even is it? And start buffing all of this out until it's soft. Some highlighter to just the tip and the bridge, and you're done.
That's actually a really interesting tip, so let's try it. For this, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Shady Biz bronzer and my usual Morphe brush. Okay, so what Nikki's saying is to just literally go in and do this. That's a very strange face to have, I guess. Now she's saying to take a dry beauty blender and your powder to pretty much contour that out. So I'm just going to use my May Cosmetics Banana Setting Powder. Okay, I have to say I never contoured my nose before. Not like this at least, not with setting powder and the whole thing. So I'm curious what this is going to do. Okay, so now it's been almost a minute. I'm going to take my powder brush and blend this in as she said to do. Now it's the highlight part. So I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Snow Globe. I'm going to put just a little bit on the very tip of my nose and then the bridge. So it's definitely an easy trick to do. It's definitely an extra step to your makeup tutorial, of course, but I guess this is a makeup hack. But it actually worked, I think. Okay, the next TikTok makeup hack that I found is by a user called Halima. And this is a new blush technique. I've never gone back after trying this. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay. Oh, I see, okay. So what she's saying is to not put your blush on top of your cheeks, like in the center of your face, but rather than elongate it alongside your contour and your highlight because it's gonna look more snatched. So I'm going to take my Deuce Makeup Hidden Tropic blush. And it looks like it's almost naturally flushed. I'm actually surprised. So this actually looks good too. Thank you, Halima. I will be definitely using this in the future because this actually looks really good. And I think it's the kind of trick that you can get away with using a bit more blush than your usual, which is always great news just in case you have one of those days when you just put too much. So this TikTok makeup hack works as well. What's happening today? Now we have another TikTok makeup trick, and this one is from a user called Kate Hansel. This is overlining is key. This is a trick which is going to show you how to make yourself look like you got lip filler. Sounds good, especially for the girls who don't want to go through the whole process of getting fillers. Then makeup sounds like a really great alternative. Oh, she's pretty. Huh. So she's using a lipstick to line, and then line with dark eyeshadow? Wait, what? We are going to use the Jeffree Star Bullet lipstick in the shade Allegedly. Gonna take a brush and line. And now she's taking an eyeshadow which is darker, so I'm just going to use this eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna use the Brow Pro palette, and I'm going to take the chocolate shade. Okay, and now I'm going to go over with a matte lipstick like she did, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Venus. I either got like so very lucky that all the tricks that I picked up today, they're actually working, or something's happening in the universe because these were actually all good. Okay guys, so I guess I got TikTok lucky because all the makeup hacks that I tried today, they're actually worked. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below about how these tricks actually turned out, because I'm actually super impressed with these TikTok hacks. And I have to say, I will be back on the platform soon enough because a second part might start again. So, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also come and follow me on Instagram at Ammunition. Without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!